Hello, students. How are you? Well, I hope you're well. Welcome to our next lesson today, right? Our lesson is predicting about artificial intelligence using will. Predicting about artificial intelligence using will. Prediciendo acerca de la inteligencia artificial usando el auxiliar will, okay? So, before we enter about predictions, we are going to observe some vocabulary first, right? Antes de ingresar a lo que son los ejemplos ya de lleno sobre predicciones con Will, vamos a chequear primero el vocabulario necesario, ¿sí? Para que puedan entender mejor. Well, let's check the first word, right? The first part. Artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence according to the dictionary? Well, as you can observe here, it says it refers to machines which perform functions that require human intelligence. It refers to machines which perform functions that require human intelligence. For example, computers, robots, smartphones, satellites, and other kind of machines. Well, what does it say here? ¿Qué es lo que trata de decir aquí, en esta definición? Veamos. Se refiere, ¿verdad? A máquinas que desarrollan funciones, perform, desarrollar, functions, funciones que requieren, require, it means requerir, human intelligence, right? Que requieren de la inteligencia humana. Well, let's continue with the next word, human intelligence, okay? Human intelligence. It says man's mental capabilities and powers of understanding. Man's mental capabilities and powers of understanding. Let's see, let's observe here. Acá dice, se trata de las capacidades mentales del hombre, ¿ok? Se refiere a las capacidades mentales del hombre y los poderes de su entendimiento, ¿ok? O su conocimiento. Capabilities, ¿ok? Capabilities, capacidades. And powers of understanding. Understanding, entendimiento, ¿ok? Sobre todo, o comprensión. Well, let's continue. Let's continue with the word brain. Brain, right? The mass of nerve tissue in the head of humans and animals that is a center of knowledge process. The mass of nerve tissue in the head of humans and animals that is a center of knowledge process, right? So the brain, we are talking about, yes, the brain here, right? The mass of nerve, la masa de nervio, o tejido nervioso, perdón. La masa de tejido nervioso, tissue, remember, ¿recuerdan? En la lección sobre human anatomy, ¿no? Tissue. In the head of humans. Head, right? En la cabeza de los humanos y animales. That is a center of knowledge and process, que es el centro del proceso cognoscitivo, ¿ok? That is a center of knowledge and process. Knowledge, conocimiento, cognoscitivo, well, process you know, right? So let's continue here with other definition about scientific breakthrough. Scientific breakthrough. Well, what does it mean? It says a new discovery in science. A new discovery in science. Un nuevo descubrimiento en la ciencia, okay? So we can say just scientific breakthrough. Let's continue with other word. Futurist. Futurist. A person who tries to predict the future. A person who tries to predict the future. Futurist. Una persona que trata de predecir el futuro, ¿verdad? Predict, predecir, right? A un futurista, una persona, un analista, ¿ok? De acuerdo a la estadística, de acuerdo a la ciencia, no necesariamente un vidente, ojo, es distinto, ¿ya? Futurist. Okay. So let's continue with the next part of the vocabulary with some extra words, but let me prepare the board, please, right? Let's see. Okay, students, well, let's continue with our class, right? So let's check now the next words of the vocabulary. Well, we have first tiny. Tiny means very small, right? Very, very small. Well, it means diminuto, okay? Tiny. Z, Z, to move very fast. To move very fast, right? Moverse rapidísimo, right? Capillary. What's the meaning of capillary? Well, tiny blood vessel. O sea, tiny blood vessel. Esa palabrita la hicimos en la clase de Human Anatomy. ¿Ya? Vaso sanguíneo diminuto. Capillary. And yet, especially in the head. Especially in the head, right? Tiny blood vessel. Through. Through, well, a synonym is throughout. 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 It means a través de, okay? A través de. That's why. Another word that is interesting, worth. Worth. Well, it can be valuable. Valuable. Que tiene valor. Que vale mucho, okay? And worth. Valuable. Well, next word, quantity. Quantity. Amount. A synonym is amount, okay? Cantidad. They are synonyms. Well, let's continue with succeed. Succeed. To get success. To get success. Conseguir el éxito, okay? Conseguir éxito, perdón. Okay? Succeed. The next word we have here is abstract. Abstract. Well, it means unrealistic. Unrealistic. Something that is not real, right? Algo que no es real. Abstract, that is, que no es palpable físicamente. Abstract, alright? Single. Single. Well, in this case, in this topic means unique or particular, right? De repente, muchos se confunden en este momento y piensan que la palabra single, como ya han aprendido, significa solamente soltero, soltera. No, single también puede significar, y en este contexto, unique or particular, único, particular, okay? Single. The last word here is research. Research. Well, it means investigate. Investigate, right? Investigar. So, please, repeat after me, okay? One more time. Tiny, seed, capillary, through, worth, quantity, succeed, abstract, single, research. Okay. Well, now we're going to enter into the next part. I'm going to give you some examples about, yes, the use of will for predictions, right? So please wait for